How to get the most likes on Instagram free. Number 1, make your post something spectacular. You need to first make sure that whatever you're posting is actually something worth liking. Things that get a lot of likes are smiling, happy people in a bright lit location, landscapes, photos like mountains, rivers, valleys, and so on. You can also just post a picture of a cute animal like your pet. Number 2, post at one of these popular times: 5 a.m. to 8 a.m., 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m., and 3 to 5 p.m. within your specific time zone. Number 3, massive outreach. You need to find all the pics that are similar to yours and start liking them immediately after you post. So if you post a picture of your friend smiling, you should go look for hashtag smilings, hashtag smile pics on Instagram and like them. Also leave comments. A lot of these people will go back and like yours too. You can spend 20 to 30 minutes doing as many as you can. This can bring some serious, nice results. Want more free Instagram advice? Go to InstagramMarketingStrategyGuide.blogspot.com. Plus learn how you can get a free Instagram guide to make marketing on Instagram easier for more likes and followers. Go there now.